Today, I don't want to share you the quality and the advantage of this industrial design product. This key could improve your self-confidence, and I want to show you how. A lot of you wondering yourself how to grow your self-confidence. A very interesting question. In this blog, I just want to show you by the different series of new video to introduce a different interesting industrial design product. This approach is very significant, it's very powerful in the long term. The process takes a long time, but as a beginner it's very important to be patient. Strategy of self-investment you can apply in your life, but you need it to grow yourself. If you are afraid, if you are shy or introvert people, this exercise makes a difference, help you grow your confidence. I understand you. For a long time I was an introvert people. This good exercise for you to improve abilities and skills you need. You don't need some massive material or tools. You just need a camera you can use to film yourself, a microphone, a mirror. First exercise I did, be faced to my deep thought, try to speak in front of the camera, the mirror. The best to work on yourself, your self-investment, your discipline, practice every single day. In the previous video I talked about how it's very important to focus your intention not on the result but on the system, on the process. This strategy of self-investment is based by the different interesting information I include and I apply in my life. This strategy to grow my employability skills. I believe in you, I believe in your potential and DNA as the perfect people you are right now. Today you have this privilege, this opportunity to grow yourself, to learn some new interesting abilities and skills you need to develop yourself. Maybe you are a student and you need to get these abilities and skills of communication, of connection with people to introduce your industrial design product you build at the university. Maybe you are an employee and you need these abilities and skills to grow your confidence, to grow your career. You have different meetings and interviews pass to reach the goals. It's necessary to cut the different steps, abilities and skills, communication, connection, and cooperation. It's very required in all of the international company right now. The international market are very competitive. Every single day I just experience different strategy of self-investment. How to grow your confidence, how to become more consistent, how to become more creative, and how to become more productive. The fact and significant way verify yourself. If you have difficulty to have connection with your colleague at work, at home, with your friend, with your family, and all of people you can meet out there when you go out. Ability to sell a new industrial design product is very required in the different companies and design agencies. For an industrial designer, a marketing seller, an engineer, technical drawer, it's very important to get abilities and skills they need in their job. Welcome back to this new video. My name is Remicha, I'm a designer and entrepreneur. Today is a very good day to talk about your self-investment. I'm here to help you to reach the next level. If you're interested by design, skills and investment, you are in the right place. This is more like just an industrial design product, a mouth. It's everything. This makes a difference between the old version you were and the new version you are going to become. A power to change your vision of your reality. It can change your life.